When I first was looking to sell my home, I didn't know a whole lot about Barrett, Sotheby's International Realty other than their strong reputation. I started a search online for local real estate agents. From there, reached out to a few, had initial phone conversations, kind of got a sense of their knowledge of the area, their recommendations. And when I found Zena, it just really made sense. She had a lot of knowledge of the local area. She provided comparable homes so that we could look at those and see the pricing and help to identify the appropriate pricing for our home. I think Zena did a great job marketing the home for sale, so she helped walk through and identify anything that needed to be fixed or cleaned up. She brought in different staging items to help showcase the home and had it professionally photographed right after that. There was interest right off the bat, so people were trying to set up showings before the open houses even. So we had an offer above asking price within, I think, the first day. She seemed really knowledgeable on the logistics part, but also the emotional part. She was able to communicate with different parties involved, really helped to ease the communication. After the home was sold, we continued to stay in touch. I referred her to friends, and she's also helped me purchase a new home. Felt like the worry was taken care of because Zena just seemed very organized, on top of things. Selling a home is a stressful time, but I never had to worry. She always had things on track, kept us informed of what was happening next, and took the worry out of the whole situation. This process was extremely smooth working with Barrett Sotheby's International Realty.